So we've got our circles, we've got our triangles, we've labeled the radius as 5 because the diameter is 10. Now it says express the area of circle O in terms of pi. Okay? In terms of pi. Means pi is in your final answer. What's the area formula for a circle? There you go. Yep. So A equals pi times radius squared. Now I've got to substitute. Right? So substitute, we could substitute into that formula. Okay.
A equals pi 5 squared.
Yep. Am I going to use the pi key on my calculator? Because in terms of pi. No. So what is 5 squared?
25.
25. So my final answer is 25 what? 5. Not 25A. The area is 25 pi. A equals. Okay, A stands for area. Now it says, find the area of triangle AOB, the one in the upper right. So what's the area formula for a triangle? Okay, guys, and these are never trick questions. Okay, they're all on your formula sheet. Caitlin. So A equals 1/2. What's the base of that triangle? 5. And what's the height of the triangle? 5.
Oh.
So what's 1/2 of 25? 12.5. Right? All right. It's okay. All right, that it's a decimal. That's fine. Now, what are we going to get for COD? Right? Okay. COD is the same thing. Base and height, 5 and 5, the same as this one. So we know that COD, the area of that, is also 12.5. Okay. You don't have to recalculate it. You can realize that it's the same. Now it says express the area of the shaded region in terms of pi. So when we look back at that shape, I want the area of what's shaded. So what do I need to take out of the circle to get what's shaded?
You like subtract the area of the triangle.
Subtract the area of the triangle. So the area of the circle is what?
25 pi.
25 pi. And we got to take out the two circles. So what's take out in math? Subtract. The two triangles. Yep. I'm just going to write triangle 1, triangle 2, which, okay, some of you immediately realize that that's 25. That's excellent. I just wanted to make sure we all got that. So 25 pi minus 25. Now, we can't do anything else with this. What did the question say? In terms of pi. These are not like terms. 25 pi and 25 are not like terms. It's like 25x and 25. They're two totally different terms, so you can't do anything else with it. That's the area that she agreed to. Tonight.
Like, what would happen is that, like,
To the
you
nearest
have to,
10th.
like, if you didn't have to leave it in terms of pi.
They would tell you what to round it to, and then you'd use the pi key on your calculator, and you'd get,
So then you would actually, like, solve the whole thing.
yes,
Okay.
you got it, yep. But because they said in terms of pi, that's as far as we can go with that. Okay? All right, go ahead, flip it. So what shapes do we have in number 2? Circles, right? So radii means it's just the plural, okay, of radius, because we have 2 of those. Okay, we have the radius of the small circle, and we have the radius of the big circle. So the plural is radii. So we have two concentric circles. So you guys said what our shapes were. Okay, so we're dealing with circles here. Concentric, okay, one inside the other. Small one has a radius of 3, the large one has a radius of 7. What is the area of the shaded region now? Nearest 100. So now we're going to use the calculator. We're going to use the pi. Because it says nearest 100, it doesn't say in terms of pi. Area formula for a circle. Pi times radius squared. Guys, okay, this is day 3 on this. That should be rather quick too. So let's do the small circle. So A, and I'm just going to write small, okay, because that's the one we're working with first, the one that's on the inside. So it's pi times what? What's the radius of the small one? 3, and what do I need to do to it? Square it.
So multiply by.
So now, because this is nearest 100, you want to go to your calculator, okay, and use the pi key. Okay, so I'm going to say 3 squared and then pi and hit enter. Or whatever works for you. Yep, and I said, isn't it easier just to put in 9? Say yes, sure. Whatever works for you. Okay? So now, guys, don't round. Carry this out at least 4 decimal places right now. We're going to round in our last step. Okay? So 28.2743 we're going to put on our calculator or on our paper. Okay? What was it? 28.2743. 28.2743. We're not going to round yet. Now let's do the area of the big. Pi times what?
Pi times r squared.
7 squared. So go right to your calculator. Pi times 7 squared. So 7 squared, pi, enter, and it's 153.9380, right? 153 point.
938. I mean, wait, 9380.
Okay, 9380 is pretty good. 4 places. Now, let's find the area of the shaded region. So to get the area of the shaded region, what do I need to take away?
Small.
The small. So I'm going to say the big minus the small. So the big is that, and I'm going to show this, 1539380 minus 28.2743. Now go to your calculator again. Okay? Guys, please don't even attempt to do this stuff, okay, by hand. Okay? Now, this is our final step. This is where you round. Okay, round and your final step, and it's in nearest 100. Caitlin is what? Yes. Okay, 125.66 hundredth. Okay, she said. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to round in your final step. Oh,
I'll put that on there.
final step. Don't round beforehand because it will throw your final answer off if you round too soon.
4 decimal places for,
Yeah.
for the beginning.
Yeah.
And then at the end to the 100.
Yes. Okay. Always. This is always a good rule of thumb. You want 4 decimal places in here. Okay. Tonight.
I have a question.
Sure.
Why do you round on the final step instead of like doing?
I just said when you round too soon, it will throw your final answer off.
How?
Because you rounded here and then you end up rounding again, your answer will be off a few decimal places. Okay? All right, let's see. All right, what do we see here for this one? Three shapes. Yep. And we see what?
Triangle,
Trapezoid, and a half circle. And a half circle. Triangle.
Oh my god, that's a right.
Okay. Trapezoid.
3 circles away.
Half circle. Go ahead, Maya.
Where's the little circle? Like?
That's an O. Okay. So we have a triangle. We have a trapezoid, and we have a circle, half circle. So let's see what it says here. It says triangle ABCD. So point to those with your pencil. ABCD is an isosceles trapezoid, so that means that those are equal to each other. And our bases AB and CD. BA is extended to E. Guys, you're explaining the picture. You can't just blow through it because usually there's a piece of information in there that you need. Now it says that DE is, that upside down T means perpendicular. Okay? So we've got our little right angle box there. BC is a diameter. And AB is 4, which is listed. AE is 3, that's on our picture. DE is 4, that's listed. And AD is 5, with AD listed. No, that's not on our picture, so you need to put that on your picture. So some things are listed on the picture and some aren't, so that's why it's important to read everything. DC is 10. Find the area of the entire figure to the nearest integer. So we're going to need a round in the end to the nearest integer. So if AD is 5, and this is an isosceles trapezoid, what is BC? 5, so put that on there. So now let's start. Let's find the area of our triangle. So if I wanted the area of this whole figure, what am I going to need to do with those 3 shapes in the end? I got to combine them. I got to add them. Got to add them up. So let's start with the triangle. 1/2 base times height. Formula. 1/2. My base is 3 and my height is 4. So 1/2 times 3 times 4. Who's got it? Yep. Guys, I'm gonna speed up now. Okay? I'm not gonna slow down. Alright, so you gotta just stay with it. Trapezoid, 1/2 the height, base 1 plus base 2. Memorize that one. 1/2. The height of the trapezoid is 4. Yeah. Okay? Remember, straight up and down. 4. And then base 1, base 2. So 1/2 of 4 times 4 plus 10. There's somebody say it. Okay. 28. Now, the half circle. Think about what I just said there. The half circle. So circle is pi r squared, right? I gotta divide it or take half of it, right? Divide by 2, multiply by half, same thing. Okay, however you think about it. You just gotta remember, it's only half of it. So, pi, my radius is 5, I gotta square it, I gotta divide by 2. So right now, okay, it didn't say in terms of pi, but I'm not gonna mess with the pi key yet. Let's do that in the end. All the way in the end. So I've got 25 pi divided by 2. So I know in my brain that's 12.5 pi. Half circle, trapezoid, triangle. What do I do with all three of those? Add them together. Got it. Okay, and now I'm going to go to my calculator. Well, I'm going to show what I'm doing first. 6 plus 28 plus 12.5 pi. Right to the calculator. Okay. 6 plus 28 plus 12.5 pi, enter, and it said to the nearest integer. So nearest whole number. Press one. Area equals 73. Okay? Round in the end. Okay, is your final answer. Okay? All right. Let's see. Yes. One student caught the mistake. Who else thinks they caught the mistake and didn't say anything?
Oh, wait.
Look really quick, guys. You know the answer. Okay, Tyler, I can't pick you. There's a mistake there.
Wait.
And I'll give you a hint that it's on the half circle.
Which one is it? What? Hold on. I know it. It's like right there.
Oh, wait.
The mistake is on the half circle.
Wait, which equation was that?
What did we use for the radius on the half circle, Chrysalin? We used 5.
It should be 2.5.
It should be 2.5.
Yes. What are you talking about? I just said it.
And now, let's backtrack here, okay? So we've got some stuff to clean up.
Oh, man.
So,
I don't think it's
we got to do some erasing. Guys, so now let's recalculate, okay, our half circle.
There are 2/3 there.
Okay. We got to recalculate that half circle. So I'm going to say 2.5 squared, and I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to multiply that by pi, and then I'm going to cut it in half. Okay. So I'll go through that again. Pi, 2.5 squared, enter, and cut it in half. Okay. There's the area of the half circle. Okay. So I'm gonna.
Wait, is that
So we have. Okay. So we round in the end. Okay. We have 6.25 pi divided by 2, whatever that is. Okay. So here, now we go to the calculator and recalculate that. So there's the area right now, okay, of our half circle, plus 6 plus 28. Now, what is it to the nearest integer? Careful. Because the 8 in the 10th spot makes it 43 or 44? 44.
So you knew there was something, you knew there was a little something else. I know.